So a fun way to learn all of the prime numbers between 1 and 100 is to have a number table from 1 to 100. And what we want to do is identify all the factors of other numbers. For example, if I ask you what are the factors of 10, it's this whole row, and we can ignore that list because these are not prime numbers, these are multiples of 10. Then all of the numbers below 2, but not including 2, are multiples of 2. So those are not prime numbers. All of the numbers below 4 and including 4, we can ignore because those are multiples of 2. All of the numbers below 6 are multiples of 2. And all of the numbers below 8 are multiple of 2. So the prime numbers in our first row is 2, 3, 5, and 7. Notice we have ignored 1 because 1 is not a prime number. And we ignore 9 because 9 is a multiple of 3. And we can continue doing this exercise by identifying multiples of other numbers and factors to cancel them out. So for example, all of the numbers below 5 we can cancel out because these are multiples of 5. Next, what we can try and do is find multiples of 7. So if I count in 7, I have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 is already out, 49, 56 is already out. So I'm simply counting in 7. Then 63, 70 is already out, 77, 84, 91, and 98. So those are all the multiples of 7 between 1 and 100. Next, we already have the multiples of 5. So let us take out the multiples of 3. So I count in 3s. And we can do this quickly. So it will be 27, 33, 39, 57, 69, 81, 93, and 99. And now all of the numbers that we haven't highlighted, these would be prime numbers. So prime numbers are numbers with a factor of 1 and itself. Notice that all the prime numbers are uneven numbers. They are not even numbers because those are multiples of 2. And you would notice that we have ignored multiples of 7, which is an uneven number, and we have ignored multiples of 3. We already did multiples of 5 at the start. So all of the numbers encircled are your prime numbers from 1 to 100.